Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this tutorial, I will explain you the new Shopify update which enables you to create AI images in the theme customization. Before that, it was possible to create images in Shopify Sidekick, and if you haven't used the Sidekick, this is very cool because you can ask Shopify anything, and it's like a chat box like ChatGPT, or you can say the AI bot for your audio store needs, and it will guide you how you can do the steps. But now the best thing is that they have added the AI image creation in the theme customization, and it is really helpful because if you are just starting a store, like you have created a baby store, baby niche store, so you want to create some generic banners, you can use the AI image creation without any copyright issue, and you can use those images without any further clarification from someone or take permission from someone. This works exactly like the AI tools, so it's really fine. So how you can use that tool, let me show you quickly. So you have to click on customize. This is the horizon theme, and I hope that this update will be available in almost every theme because I have tested it and it was working really fine in, especially in horizon theme. I'm talking about the new updates. So this is the first banner. Let's test on this one and I will show you how it actually works. I will pause the video because the image creation currently takes some time. It's not too fast, but it's okay. So I will click on this image. For example, you have to click on this image, and then you can see this option generate image. If you see this option, it means your theme is updated or you have got the Shopify updates. You can create on create image, and you can describe the image like a baby playing with, so it's a little bit slower. So yeah, so you just have to click on create, and it will take some seconds. Okay, so I paused the video just for the image to be created, and as you can see, this image is extremely beautiful and it's better than most of the image creators. So we can either download this image or we can just skip it. So I will, if I don't like it, I can change the prompt, same like you do in Gemini, you do it in ChatGPT or other AI images, Grok, etc. So I will keep this image because I love this thing, and the best thing is you don't have to worry about the sizing because Shopify normally adjust the size accordingly. You will upload the PNG images, it will convert into WebP later on. So we can click on done, and this image will be applied here, and as you can see, it looks really fine. Okay, so obviously you can set the image alignment and all other stuff, but this is optional. My purpose was to show you how this actually works. So let me show you in another section how this actually working, because this was the hero section. I was just want to make you sure that it works for almost every section. So yeah, let's add a section, and I will click on hero marquee. This is another hero section. So I think let's try another example. So I'll click on add section, and let's try something better. So yeah, let's try this one. Okay, let's try this one. This is the editorial one. So if it works fine in this one, it means that it works in almost every section. Just we want to make sure that it works fine, and as you can see, this is the media. You click on image and the same process. So we will improve the command a bit. A baby playing with control remote control. Okay, it's a bit slower. Car in the garden. I just want to make sure that we try different variations. Obviously, you can take help from Chat GPT just for the guidance and what prompts work better. So I click on send. So the image has been generated. I waited a few seconds, I think more than a minute, but this image is really cool. So I will keep this image. I will not improve this prompt, and it works fine. So I will click on done, and let's see if it applies well or not. cause the size is a bit different. Yeah, it works really fine. You can obviously you can change image position to contain or cover. It's up to you. So we can do something like this. Yeah, it's up to you. So you can but this is how you can use the AI image generator for Shopify, and that's the best news. You can use Sidekick for all your Shopify resolving all your Shopify tasks, the basic task obviously. And then you can also use their AI to generate the copy, and you can also use the AI to create the images as well. I hope you know that how you can create the copy. The copy to create copy is also very easy. You just have to click on this one and the AI will generate this for you. So yeah, the Shopify customization has been a bit slower for the past few days, but if you generate text, you just have to click about this text and you can change the tone as well and it will generate for you. I will try my best to make a separate video for this as well, but till now you can use this thing and use the prompts to create this thing.